Bright, colorful, and bursting with fresh flavors, this ABC salad or apple beet carrot salad is the perfect balance of crunch, sweetness, and zest. Made with juicy apples, earthy beetroots, and crisp carrots, this salad is not only delicious but also packed with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. Let's get started. Start by taking 2 carrots, 1 beetroot, and 1 apple. Next, peel the carrots, apple, and beetroot using a vegetable peeler. The vibrant colors of deep red beetroot, bright orange carrots, and crisp white apple make this salad as visually appealing as it is delicious. The natural sweetness of these ingredients pairs beautifully with a tangy lemon dressing, a hint of warm ginger, and a touch of honey. Topped with crunchy almonds and chia seeds, every bite is refreshing and satisfying. Whether you are looking for a quick, healthy snack or a vibrant side dish, this salad is sure to impress. Using a box grater or a food processor, grate the carrots, apples, and beetroot one by one. Once grated, transfer everything to a large mixing bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of chopped cilantro for a fresh herby aroma. Drizzle 1.5 teaspoons of lemon juice for a burst of citrusy freshness. Season with half a teaspoon of ground black pepper and salt to taste to enhance the overall flavor. Add 1 teaspoon of honey to balance the tartness with natural sweetness. Pour in 1 tablespoon of olive oil to bring everything together with a light silky texture. Grate the half-inch piece of ginger directly into the bowl. Ginger not only enhances the flavor but also boosts the digestion. Toss everything well until all the ingredients are evenly coated in the dressing and the flavors blend beautifully. Now transfer the salad to a serving bowl, garnish with chopped cilantro, then sprinkle with chia seeds and sliced almonds for extra crunch and nutrition. And just like that, you have made yourself a vibrant, refreshing, and nutrient-packed ABC salad. It's light yet filling, perfect as a healthy meal, a refreshing side, or even a post-workout snack. Serve it fresh and enjoy. Happy cooking! See you next time!